Very, very welcome to the uh, winding chemistry. And now we should see the chemical properties of carbon dioxide, that is CO sub 2. So first see its stability property. It is a very stable compound. Only about 0.3% of its decomposes at 1500 degrees Celsius. 2CO sub 2 change to 2CO plus O sub 2. B. Combustibility. It is an incombustible gas and is a non-supporter of combustion. Metals such as sodium, potassium and magnesium, however, continue to burn in it, producing free carbon dioxide of the metal. For example, 2Na plus CO change to Na sub 2 O plus C. 2K plus CO change to K sub 2 O plus C. Mg plus CO change to MgO plus C. Next property. Next is its acidic properties. So acidic nature. First, reaction with water. When dissolved in water, it forms carbonic acid, which is weakly ionized. The acid is unstable and cannot be isolated. H sub 2 O plus CO sub 2 change to H sub 2 CO sub 2 carbonic acid. On heating, the acid decomposes to give carbon dioxide, which escapes into air. It is a dibasic acid and forms two series of salts, carbonates and bicarbonates. Reaction with alkalis. When carbon dioxide is passed through an alkali solution, a carbonate is produced. 2NaOH plus CO sub 2 change to Na sub 2 CO sub 3 plus H sub 2 O. On passing more of carbon dioxide, it is converted into the bicarbonate. Na sub 2 CO sub 3 plus H sub 2 O plus CO sub 2 change to 2NaH CO sub 2. The milkiness disappears when more of carbon dioxide is passed through CaOH twice. This is due to the formation of calcium bicarbonate, which is soluble in water. Third, reaction with basic oxides. Being an acidic oxide, it combines with basic oxides such as sodium oxide, potassium oxide, calcium oxide, etc. Na sub 2 O plus CO sub 2 change to Na sub 2 CO sub 3. CaO plus CO sub 2 change to CaCO sub 3. Photosynthesis. In the presence of sunlight, plants absorbs carbon dioxide. The water present in the plant reacts with carbon dioxide to produce glucose, cellulose and starch. The reaction is catalyzed by chlorophyll, the green coloring matter present in plants. In chemical formula form, 6 CO sub 2 plus 6 H sub 2 O change to C sub 6 H sub 12 O sub 6 glucose, and formula for glucose, plus 6 O sub 2. Again 6 N CO sub 2 plus 5 N H sub 2 O change to open braces C sub 6 H sub 12 O sub 6 close braces sub N plus 6 NO sub 2. A starch or glucose C sub 6 H sub 12 O sub 6 is a formula for a starch. Now test. A burning a splinter of wood is extinguished in it, but magnesium ribbon continues to burn in it. It turns lime water milky. open braces OS close braces sub 2 plus CO sub 2 change to CO sub 3 white precipitate as a white precipitate with milky color plus H sub 2O CO sub 3 plus H sub 2O plus CO sub 2 change to Ca open braces HCO sub 3 close braces sub 2. Now we see the usage of carbon dioxide. It is used for the manufacture of aerated water. It is used in the refining of sugar. Dry ice, that is solid CO sub 2, is used as refrigerant and in the treatment of local source. It is used for providing an inert atmosphere for reaction which cannot be carried out in air. Carbon, a mixture of oxygen with about 8% of carbon dioxide, is used for artificial respiration. It is used as a fire extinguisher. Since it is heavier than air, it is easily displaces oxygen around the fire, which is then extinguished for want of oxygen. Now, distinction of carbonate from bicarbonate. First, dry heating. Carbonates. Carbonates of non-alkali metals and LiCO sub 3 gives CO sub 2. Bicarbonate. All bicarbonates give CO sub 2. Second, solubility test for carbonates. Carbonates of non-alkali metals do not dissolve in water, whereas carbonates of alkali metal dissolve. Now for bicarbonates, all bicarbonates are soluble in water. Next, phenolphthalein test for carbonates. Soluble carbonates give pink color. In bicarbonates, light pink or no color is developed. Now we see the carbon monoxide. Formula CO and molecular weight is 28. Now its occurrence of monoxide. Carbon monoxide occurs in traces in air, tobacco smoke and volcanic gases. It may also be present in chimney gases and blast furnace gases due to insufficient supply of air. First, see the method of preparation. When carbon is burnt in an insufficient supply of air or oxygen, carbon monoxide is formed. 2C plus O sub 2 change to 2CO plus 26.42 kilocalorie per mole. Second, it is also obtained by passing carbon dioxide over heated zinc dust or iron filings. Zn plus CO sub 2 change to ZnO plus CO. This is the industrial preparation. 3Fe plus 4 CO sub 2 change to Fe sub 3 O sub 4 plus 4 CO. C. Third property. Third method. When a steam is passed over red hot coke, a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen known as water gas is obtained. It is separated from hydrogen by liquefaction, industrial preparation. C plus H sub 2O change to CO plus H2.